Top 6 vitamins to repair your nerves. If you feel tingling, burning, stabbing, or shooting pains in your feet and hands, then you may be suffering from nerve damage. This type of nerve damage is called peripheral neuropathy. This can be caused by diabetes, high cholesterol, drinking too much alcohol, and nutritional deficiencies. Fortunately, there are certain vitamins you can consume to repair the nerves quickly and naturally. Number 1. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is super important for your nerves to work well. Nerves are like messengers in your body. They send signals to and from the brain. These signals are important for various bodily functions, moving, feeling sensations, and keeping your organs working right. Vitamin B12 contributes to the maintenance and repair of nerve cells. Just like other cells in our body, nerves go through regular wear and tear. So, vitamin B12 plays a part in making sure your nerves stay healthy and work their best. You can eat foods such as beef, salmon, tuna, clams, oysters, sardines, mackerel, milk, cheese, and eggs, since they are rich in vitamin B12. Number 2. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine is a key player in the metabolism of carbohydrates. It helps convert glucose into energy, which is vital for the proper functioning of nerve cells. A lack of thiamine can affect the body's ability to convert food into energy, leading to fatigue and weakness. Thiamine is involved in processes that contribute to the repair and regeneration of nerve cells. Having sufficient thiamine is important for the nerves to recover from stress or injury. Severe thiamine deficiency can lead to neurological issues, including numbness, tingling, muscle weakness, and difficulty walking. You can get vitamin B1 by eating foods such as beef, chicken, brown rice, barley, kidney beans, sunflower seeds, spinach, asparagus, salmon, and tuna. Number 3. Vitamin E. Your body is constantly exposed to free radicals through unhealthy foods, alcohol consumption, and radiation. Too much free radicals can result in oxidative stress in your body, and this can harm the nerve cells. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that plays a role in protecting nerve cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E can be found in many foods, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, spinach, Swiss chard, kale, and salmon. Number 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a key role in regulating calcium. It helps control how much calcium is absorbed from your food and how it is used. Since the right amount of calcium is important for proper nerve function, vitamin D helps make sure your nerves transmit messages correctly. If there's too little or too much calcium, it could cause issues with how your nerves function. So vitamin D keeps everything in balance for your nerves to do their job well. Furthermore, vitamin D helps reduce inflammation in the body due to its anti-inflammatory effects. This is important because inflammation can contribute to nerve damage. However, getting sufficient vitamin D to support nerve health involves a combination of exposure to sunlight and dietary sources. Many people do not get enough sunlight exposure due to their lifestyle and geographical location. In cases where sunlight exposure is insufficient, dietary intake alone may not meet the vitamin D needs. In such situations, supplementation may be recommended under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Vitamin D can be obtained from foods such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, and also from fortified dairy products such as milk and yogurt. Number 5. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. Moreover, vitamin C helps produce neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that enable nerves to communicate with each other. Adequate levels of vitamin C support the production of these neurotransmitters. You can get vitamin C from eating vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, spinach, and kale. You may also get vitamin C from fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, mango, papaya, and kiwi. Before we move on to the next point, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Number 6. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that has been studied for its potential benefits in supporting nerve health and repair. Alpha-lipoic acid acts as an antioxidant, helping to get rid of harmful molecules called free radicals from your body. By doing this, it reduces stress on your nerves and helps prevent nerve damage. It also enhances blood flow to nerves, providing better oxygen and nutrient supply. Improved blood flow is crucial for nerve function and repair. You can eat organ meats such as beef liver and red meat such as beef and pork. If you're seeking higher doses of alpha-lipoic acid for specific health reasons, the amounts in food might not be enough. In that case, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor before taking these supplements to get personalized advice. If you're planning to take the vitamins I mentioned in this video in supplement form, you have to consult your healthcare professionals as the amount varies according to your health condition and potential deficiencies. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch our next video.